it's Madeline, and today, I know it's like a little bit late and these aren't in fashion anymore, but I've got 2 fidget spinners, and I filmed this on my other channel, which got hacked, so I'm going to do it on this channel, and it's basically just doing fidget spinner tricks, and as you can see I can, I can already do the thumb, not to brag.
Shut up!
I can do the thumb. And I can move it as well without dropping it. So, let's get started. First one, I'm going to do, if you can see me. Oh, whoa, you can't even see me.
Oh my gosh.
It's the nose. Am I still in?
Look at my fidget spinner.
Ow! I cut myself when I was trying to do the nose.
Your dad would be the best at that.
Oh, it does just mean you want to balance it and then stop. Okay, yeah, let's not try the nose. I'm going to try the elbow. I've seen loads of people do it on their elbow and it looks really cool. I haven't done it.
Oh. Come on!
I can do the elbow. Okay, cool. Now we're going to try the tip of the elbow. And guys, because I like turned it over, it's because I have like a dent in mine because I accidentally dropped mine. Who cares? And also there's the pinky one, which I think is impossible. Like, how is a little pinky supposed to hold all that? Plus mine's like really big, so like it's like, here, just sit.
Stay third,
It doesn't
Seth.
spin.
Stay third.
Yeah.
Right
I'm gonna try that one. The forehead spin. Out my eyes. Guys, this is crazy. And I don't know if this is a thing, but I've seen people spinning fidget spinners on their tongue. Ow!
No! God, stay third, stay third!
Yes! I did it like that because I'll hurt myself.
Oh my gosh.
Look at her fidget spinner! Guys, I'm gonna go and get my other fidget spinner. Luke, can you talk to them? Can you come in? Can you come on my YouTube channel and talk to them when I go and get my other fidget spinner?
Go and talk about Bopsy.
Just talk about something. Don't press any buttons.
Sing happy birthday or something.
Stay in the camera, Luke. Other way, bring your head across. Other way. There you go. Luke, look at me.
Can I go
Yes,
back
this.
to the spinner?
Yeah. Okay, but be fast.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys. So I am back with my other fidget spinner, and you might think, oh, it's just a basic fidget spinner.
That's mine.
No, it's not. You gave it to me.
Mommy, did I give that
It's a
blue
Bluetooth
to
one, and it lights up.
You took it in my cut of happy car.
You gave it to me, and it lights up, and it's a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm so lucky. Let's try and spin this one on my nose. Yay! Okay, Luke, give me my fidget spinner back.
Girls!
Give me my fidget spinner! She won't give me my fidget spinner back. Oh.
Ow.
I sat on it. I'm gonna get my fidget cube. Hey, you broke it. Guys, this keeps happening. Look. I pop it back on and it just comes off. Okay, I'll pause it and go get my fidget cube. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is my fidget cube. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'm bringing my fidget cube. This is my fidget cube. That's the rainbow. And guys, when I got this, where is it? I found this. What is that? Like, see, on the other side, it's perfectly rainbow, nothing on it. That side, there's a scratch thingy on it when I got it.
No, I got the bent.
Look, and you can like joystick. There's like a flicker switch, whatever they're called. And if you turn it, there's like this thing. You can put your finger on it and just spin it. And then here, there's the buttons. I like the button side. And then I have no idea what this is. Comment down below if you know what that is on the Fidget Cube. Should I do that? So do that. This is like the ball you can spin, and then like you can mess with those. Switch. Anything else I haven't showed you? No, that's basically the whole Fidget Cube. Oh yeah, and I bought some chapstick. Which smells lush. Definitely recommend it. From it's water resistant as well, so bye guys.